Good morning, students. We will continue our chapter, The Proposal. Natalia, I can't make head or tail of all this about aunts and grandfathers and grandmothers. The meadows are ours, that's all. Now, she said, she can't make head or tail of all that about aunts and grandfathers and grandmothers. She was not interested in all those things. She said, the meadows are ours, that's all. No more mine. No, they are mine. Natalia, ours. You can go on proving it for 2 days on end. You can go and put on 15 dress jackets, but I tell you, they are ours. Ours. I don't want anything of yours, and I don't want to give anything of mine. So, there. Now she said, they are ours, and you can go on proving it. You can try to prove it. You can go and put on 15 dress jackets, but I tell you, I make it clear to you that they are ours. Ours. And I don't want anything of yours, and I don't want to give you anything of mine. So, go. Lomov, Natalia Stepanovna, I don't want the meadows, but I am acting on principle. Now, Lomov said, Natalia Stepanovna, I don't want the meadows. I am not interested in taking your meadows, but I am acting on principle. If you like, I will make you a present of them. He said, if you are interested, if you like, I will give it to you. I will make you a present of them. Natalia, I can make you a present of them myself. She said, no, I can also present you because they are mine, because they are related to me, they are mine. Your behavior, Ivan Vasilievich, is strange, to say the least. Up to this, we have always thought of you as a good neighbor. She said, no, they are mine. I think your behavior is good. I thought that you are a good neighbor, a friend. Last year we lent you our threshing machine. Last year we lent you our threshing machine. Although on that account we had to put off our own threshing till November, and we have to stop our work, we had to put off our own threshing till November. But you behave to us as if we were gypsies, but you are not behaving properly. Your behavior is not good. Giving me my own land indeed? No, really, that is not at all neighborly. In my opinion, it's even impudent, if you want to know. She said, but your behavior is not good. You are not behaving properly. You are not behaving like a good neighbor. Lomo, then you make out that I am a land grabber. Madam, never in my life have I grabbed anybody else's land, and I shan't allow anybody to accuse me of having done so. Now he said, you think I am a land grabber? No, madam. In my life, have I grabbed anybody else's land, and I shan't allow anybody to accuse me of having done so. He said, I am not wrong. I am not interested to grab others' land. He quickly steps to the carafe and drinks more water. Oxen meadows are wild. Now he takes water and he again says, oxen meadows are mine. Oxen meadows are related to him. It's not true, they are ours. But Natalia, again she repeats, no, it's not true, they are ours. They are related to her. Lomo, mine. Lomo again repeats, they are mine. Natalia, it's not true. I will prove it. I will send my movers out to the meadows this very day. Now she said, no, the movers, I will ask them to go to the meadows today. What? My movers will be there this very day. Lomo asked, what? What are you saying, Natalia? My movers will be there this very day. She said, yes, my movers will be there today. Lomo, I will give it to them in the neck. He said, I will punish them. I will not leave them. Natalia, you dare. You can't do this. How can you do this? Lomo clutches at his heart. Oxen meadows are mine. He clutches his heart and again he repeats, oxen meadows are mine. They are related to me. You understand? Mine. Are you not listening? They are mine. Natalia, please don't shout. You can shout yourself, horse, in your own house, but here I must ask you to restrain yourself. She said, don't shout, don't cry. You are not in your own house, you are in my house. How can you speak like this? How can you behave like this? Don't speak like this. Behave properly. And Lomo, if it was not, madam, for this awful, excruciating palpitation, if my whole inside was not upset, I would talk to you in a different way. Yes, oxen meadows are mine. He said, I am not well, as I have one problem, and the problem is palpitation, excruciating palpitation. So I am upset this time. I would talk to you in a different way. Now I would like to again repeat my words. Yes, oxen meadows are mine. Again he repeats that meadows, oxen meadows are mine. So Natalia, ours. Natalia again repeats, no, they are ours. Lomo, they are mine. Natalia, no, they are ours. Lomo, they are mine. Enter Chubuko. At that time, Chubuko enters. Thank you.